Today we're gonna crochet this lamb boobs crossbody phone bag. The cute look is really cute. It's about 20 centimeters wide, height about 15 cm. It can be placed the next cell phone and some small belongings. The wool chooses the no-to line of the conspicuous bag with 5.0 毫米 crochet. First, lock the edge and start the needle. After the starting stitches are completed, crochet 21 lock stitches. 21 stitches complete. Return to the penultimate stitch. Crochet a medium length needle here. Continue in order later. Crochet a medium length needle on each stitch. A total of 19 medium and long needles were crocheted. "19 stitches end. Crochet 4 medium and long needles in the last stitch. Turn to the other side. On the remaining half of the needle, continue crocheting medium and long needles in sequence. A total of 18 medium and long needles were crocheted. 18 stitches end. Crochet 3 medium length needles in the last stitch. Add the first medium and long needle at the beginning. There are also 4 medium and long needles here. And finally, crochet a lead needle over the first medium length needle. There are a total of 44 stitches after the first lap is completed. The second loop first hooks a lock pin. First hook to 20 medium and long needles in sequence. "20 stitches over. Crochet on each of the back 2 stitches. 2 medium and long needles. Crochet 20 medium and long needles in sequence at the back. "20 stitches over. In the last 2 stitches, 2 medium and long needles crocheted on each. A total of 4 needles have been added to the circle. 48 medium and long needles when done. And finally, crochet a lead needle over the first medium length needle. The third loop first hooks a lock pin. Crochet 2 medium length needles on the first stitch. Crochet 20 medium and long needles in sequence at the back. 20 stitches over. On the back 3 stitches, each crochet 2 medium and long needles. A total of 6 medium and long needles were crocheted. 6 stitches end. 22 medium and long needles crocheted in sequence at the back. "22 stitches over. On the remaining 2 needles, each crochet 2 medium and long needles. A total of 6 needles have been added to the circle. Finished with 54 medium and long needles. And finally, crochet a lead needle over the first stitch. The number of stitches from the 4th to the 8th lap behind remains unchanged. Crochet 54 medium and long needles per lap. Cut the line after lap 8. Line changing and crocheting, turn 9. You start by restarting the needle on the first entry. Hook the line, then crochet a lock needle. In the first and second stitches, crochet a short needle on each. Crochet a long needle over the third stitch. 4-pin early type needle, first in the same location. Unfinished stitches crocheted with 4 long needles. Finally, the crochet is wound through all the coils at once. Then crochet a lock needle. 2 short needles like this. A jujube needle is a set of patterns. Repeat crochet later. A total of 18 sets of patterns were crocheted. After the 9th lap is completed, crochet a lead needle over the first stitch. First, hook a lock pin for the 10th lap. crochet 1 stitch on each of the 2 stitches. Crochet a short needle over the head of a jujube needle. Repeat after each short and jujube needle. Crochet a short needle on each. A total of 54 short needles were crocheted. End of lap 10. Crochet a lead needle over the first stitch. Lap 11, hook 2 first, a lock pin, crochet a morning stitch over the first stitch. First, in the same location. Unfinished stitches crocheted with 3 long needles, plus the first 2 lock pins. So here we have 4 unfinished needles of long needles. Crochet a short needle on each of the back 2 stitches. Such an early needle. 2 short needles make a set of patterns. A total of 18 sets of patterns were crocheted. End of lap 11. Crochet a lead needle over the first stitch. Lap 12, first hook a lock pin. This circle. Crochet a short needle on each stitch. A total of 54 short needles were crocheted. End of lap 12. Lap 13, first hook a lock pin. First, crochet the 2 short needles in sequence. Crochet a morning stitch on the next stitch. This circle follows 2 short needles, a pattern of early needles for crocheting. Same crochet 18 sets. Laps 14 and 15. In order, crochet a short needle on each stitch. After the main body of the lamb bag is completed, and then we hook the ears, hemming. So here's sort of the first lock pin. Hook a lock pin at the back, then crochet 6 short stitches inside the first lock stitch. Six stitches end. Crochet a lead needle over the first stitch. The second loop first hooks a lock pin. Crochet a short needle over the first stitch. Add a stitch to the second stitch. Crochet 2 short needles. So add another stitch every other stitch. Repeat 3 times. Add 3 stitches. There are 9 short needles when done. And finally, crochet a lead needle over the first short needle. The third loop first hooks a lock pin on the first and second stitches. Each crochet a short needle. Add a stitch to the third stitch. Crochet 2 short needles. So add 1 stitch every 2. Repeat for 3 sets. Also add 3 needles. There are 12 short needles when done. In the fourth circle, add 1 stitch every 3 stitches. There are 15 short needles when done. The number of stitches remains unchanged from the 5th to the 7th lap. Crochet 15 short stitches per lap. End of lap 7. The 8th lap first hooks a lock pin. Crochet a short needle over the first stitch. Subtract 1 stitch from the back, 2 stitches and 1 stitch of a short crochet. So, subtract 1 stitch from every other stitch. Repeat 5 times. After subtracting 5 stitches, there are 10 short stitches remaining. Lap 9, again, minus 1 stitch every other stitch. Repeat 3 times. 7 needles remaining. After the ears are done, next crochet the straps. Hemming. Crochet 2 lock stitches. Crochet a short stitch over the first lock stitch. Hook a short pin on the second lock pin. Then pick the 2 threads under the thread. Crochet a short needle here. Continue to pick the 2 threads under the needle head later. Crochet short stitch. Just crochet until the length you need. After the strap is completed, finally, hook a pull needle. Then cut the thread. Attach the ear to the strap with a suture needle. Fix to the body of the bag. Finally, glue the eyes. Sew out the mouth part. And apply blush to the sides of the cheeks and the center of the ears. Sew a magnetic suction port at the position of the package. In this way, our messenger bag is complete. See you next time!